Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I will show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. As you can see here, I have phone in front of me. So first of all, I will go into the settings. When I go settings, I will scroll down. I will scroll more down and then I will show you the option to change the language. The first option that you have to select is general management. You can see here in front of me there are three lines on the left. You have to just click on this general management. When you click on this, new window will open. You have to select the first option, language and input. When you go down, you can see here the first option, language. Select this one and then you see here notification. Just press OK and then you can see here add language. So when you add language, you can see all the language options that you have in front of you guys. So you can select any language, whatever language you prefer in your phone. So for example, I select this language and then I select the country and then it will ask me, then I will set as default and then again OK. So you can see here the language has been changed. So I change it to Arabic. You can see here the language has been successfully changed to Arabic. All the icons are in Arabic language. So I will show you again to change language, to change this language. So first of all, go into the settings. You can see the settings icon. Go scroll down, and when you see the these three lines, you can see here these three lines basically for general management. Select the first option, again the first option, and then you can see here the last option is add language. If you have language already added, you can select directly. The language I have already added, so just click on it, just press OK, and then it will ask me notification, then press it OK guys. So there, this is how you can change. You can see here the language has been changed to the English language guys. So this is how you can change the language in your phone. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.